Hello and welcome to OAA gauge running time. Today, the OAA wagon and family. The new Open AB wagon, later under tops coded OAA, were the first new design of open wagon fitted with air brake and part of the ABN air brake network. The first batch was built in 1971 at Ashford, 100 wagons on a standard underframe. They had 3-part drop side doors which were 6 planks high. One of the OAAs was converted into the next variant, the OBA. These were not built straight after, but from 1977 to 79, and 800 built in 2 batches, one at Ashford and one at Sheldon. The OBA has 4 drop doors and a higher end plate. The OAA and OBA might be very similar and are linked with the SAA type wagon, which end up with the SPA and OCA looking very similar. Metal sided open wagon. The OCA a slightly higher side, but both with 3 drop doors aside. Model-wise, Hornby made at OAA in 1979, but on some of the runs in one livery, they gave it an OBA code. And also, at the same time, they released the SPA, the VDA, and the HAA, the merry-go-round wagon. Bachmann make a true OBA, released from 2006 with a low and a high end version, and also they released in 2007 a OCA with steel sides. Thank you for listening to this short and brief history of the OAA and OBA wagon. Also thank you to Dave Larkin. His books, Working Wagons, a pictorial review of freight stock on British rail systems, volume 1 to 3, was a great help in doing some of the research for this. So once again, thank you, and don't forget to keep on watching.